G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at a lovely townhouse, Unit 134, The Domain, 230 Pulgul Street in Urangan. Let's go and take a look around. Identified as one of Hervey Bay's premier permanent and residential rental complexes, you will live like you're on holidays every day of the year at the Domain Hervey Bay. This secure gated community offers resort facilities which include a 20-metre long swimming pool, tennis courts, a fully equipped gymnasium and an outdoor kitchen with barbecues. You can make new friends amongst a community of like-minded people and lock up and leave whenever the mood takes you, knowing your home is secure in the care of on-site management, and the Domain Hervey Bay is also pet-friendly. This lovely townhouse is positioned on a corner allotment adjoining common parkland with additional visitor parking nearby as well. Showcasing a modern yet refined single-level floor plan with an emphasis on carefree coastal living, you will immediately note this home has been well maintained and tastefully refurbished throughout with stylish plantation shutters. The vast open plan living and dining area does seamlessly integrate with that fantastic alfresco outdoor entertaining area with shade blinds. This is where you'll appreciate and enjoy Hervey Bay's year-round subtropical temperate climate. You even have an outdoor spa overlooking the private courtyard to kick back and relax in at the end of a long day with a cool beverage. Staying cool over the warmer summer months is as simple as turning on the split system reverse cycle air conditioning which flows across the open plan living and dining area. The sleek kitchen features lovely stone bench tops and includes ample storage as well as a pantry. Appliances include an induction hot plate with a range hood, an oven and a dishwasher. This lovely home features 3 spacious bedrooms, all with ceiling fans and built-in wardrobes. The main bedroom includes a ceiling fan, a walk-through wardrobe into the ensuite, which includes a shower, vanity and a toilet. The bathroom includes a bath, shower and vanity, and there is a separate toilet. Vehicle accommodation is covered by a single garage with a remote door and offers direct internal access into the home. The laundry does include a skylight and a broom cupboard. Homes at the Domain are always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You will only be disappointed if you miss this one.